In this video, I will quickly show you how to host N8N on AWS to automate your workflows. First, go to your AWS account and open the EC2 service to create a virtual server. Then click Launch Instance and choose an operating system such as Ubuntu, which is easy to configure. Next, choose the instance type, and usually the free tier option is enough to start. Now configure the security group by opening port 22 for SSH access and port 5678, which is the default port used by N8N. After that, create the instance and download the key file to connect to the server. Now connect to the server using SSH from your terminal. Once connected, install Docker, which will be used to run N8N easily. After installing Docker, run the command to start the N8N container using port 5678. Once the container is running, open your browser and enter the public IP address of your instance, followed by port 5678. The N8N dashboard will load and you can start creating automations. If you want, you can also connect a domain and configure HTTPS to make the access more secure and professional. And that's it. Now you know how to host N8N on AWS easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.